one of the star witnesses intended for the Department of Revenue was an expert, and he was an economist, and very well respected, and he had a very detailed analysis and study showing that question is whether we're a software company or not. His argument was Akamai was not, because if you look at all the economic metrics that you would do, ratios, assets, net worth, all these other things, they don't fall into a category of other software companies, was the argument. We objected and got that witness excluded entirely. He was certainly competent at what he was talking about, but the material wasn't qualified or relevant for this case, because the court fortunately understood that none of that matters. Only what matters is what are they selling, and are they selling software? And if users are connecting it, there's no human interaction, it's pre-written, and they are making things happen, then, and it's not a rental or anything else like that, that's software. So anyway, long story is it's very good guidance for kind of teasing out what's important and what's not important for making these determinations that can have a lot of consequences.